Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Render for app deployment, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start the registration process with Render for app deployment, open your web browser. Type in the URL render.com and press enter. On the Render homepage, locate the Sign Up button, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed to the registration page. You will be prompted to enter your email address in the designated field. After entering your email, create a secure password that meets the requirements shown. Once your password is set, click the Create Account or Sign Up button. You may receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Check your email for a message from Render and click the confirmation link provided. After confirming your email, return to the Render website to log in. Input your email address and newly created password in the login fields. Click the Login button to access your Render dashboard. On your dashboard, you will see options for various services offered by Render. To deploy an app, look for the New button on the dashboard and click it. Select the type of app you want to deploy from the available options. Follow the step-by-step prompts to configure your app settings as required. You may be asked to connect your GitHub or GitLab account for seamless deployment. Authorize Render to access your repository by following the on-screen instructions. Once authenticated, choose the repository you want to deploy. Configure additional settings such as environment variables and build commands. After setting up all necessary parameters, click the Create Web Service button to finalize the deployment. Monitor the status of your deployment on the dashboard. Once the deployment is complete, you can access your app using the provided URL. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Render and deployed your app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.